right, let's take a look at this ever popular Ford model. 1929 Ford Model A. Of course, Tudor sedan. Particular car looks very nice in the black and green combination. It's kind of a medium to mint green. And of course, the black fenders. Fenders have a nice little luster to them. The green paint's a little more of a kind of a flat finish, and of course with the black highlights around the body line, going up into the black vinyl roof and the black visor that's been added. It's a nice looking color combination. Of course, you put the matching kind of medium green wheels on there. What a great look. Of course, the Model A, introduced in 1927. I believe it kind of became available in December of 27, and by early 1929 they'd sold a million of these models. This one powered by the L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood, 201 cubic inches. Of course, that's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with a shifter on the floor. You can see how nice the chrome is on the radiator surround and the motor meter gauge up on the top. There's blinkers incorporated into the headlights and a blinker switch on the steering column. See the chrome of the bumper, also nice shape. Call this a nice driver quality Model A. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That's going to take you right to this car on our website. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726, where you can reach us at. Stepping down the passenger side here, also very nice shape as far as the paint goes. Model A was the first car to have safety glass in it also. Laminated windshield. Stock looking dash, shifter on the floor there, a little aftermarket oil pressure gauge. It's a cloth seating, and of course the back seat in the Tudor sedan. Headliner also in nice shape in this one. Be a fun parade car for some of your local cruise-ins. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Come around to the rear here, so the rear mounted spare tire, cover on it, chrome 2-piece bumpers on the rear. We'll start this up too so you can hear it run, and we'll take a look at the engine bay and check her out a little bit closer here too. Let's open up the interior and let you have a look at that, and we'll fire it up. Door panels, seat, fabrics, everything matched there. Gray interior. You can see where the turn signal switch is on the column. Horn does work on this one. Has the Auga horn. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. So we'll turn the key on. Starter's on the floor, of course, down here. So easily that starts. There is a gas shutoff underneath the dash for future reference, FYI. Gas gauge does read here also. Like it's bouncing around at about a half. Slip around to the back of this quick so you can hear it run. And how smooth that runs. I'm going to come up to the front. What we're going to do is pause this a second so I can open up one side of the hood here for you. I want you to at least be able to see that engine running underneath there. So let me pause this a second, get that hood open, and check out the engine bay. Alright, look how smooth this thing purrs. One thing you'll notice on a lot of them, I don't know if they kind of splash sprays or protect things coming up into the engine compartment. Lots of times you see them without those in them. This one has them on both sides. The engine number is right here. That is the VIN number for the vehicle, and there is a clear title on this car. So there you have it. Look at that thing run, how smooth that is. What a fun car to take around in local shows and cruise-ins. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.